Hey everybody, Joe Kuipert here, Commercial Product Manager with Lincoln Electric. Excited to share with you one of the features of the POWER MIG 215 MPI called ArcFX technology. Let's take a look at the screen and I'll show you what that is. So ArcFX technology is going to come into play anytime you're adjusting your output on the machine. For instance, if I adjust wire feed speed, it's going to affect the penetration of my bead profile, and ArcFX will show you that here. If I decrease it, the penetration decreases. If I increase it, the penetration increases. Now I come over to voltage. Adjusting voltage is going to affect the arc cone of my weld bead profile. As I increase voltage or decrease it, it's going to react by showing you a convex or concave reaction to the bead profile. Now keep in mind this feature can be turned on or off in your advanced settings. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more about the POWER MIG 215 MPI, please visit lincolnelectric.com.